faces, different names, still one fire, another flame. Every step through joy and pain, teach me how to love again. From the corner to the hill, same heartbeat, same will. When the night feel cold and long, roots remind me where I'm from. Hear the drum beneath the ground, ancient truth without a sound. When we stand and don't let go, life start grow where love is song. Roots hold firm, no matter the storm, bend but never break our warm. Hand in hand we face the day, love are the strength that lead the way. Roots hold firm, flesh and bone, never meant fi walk alone. When the world try tear we apart, roots hold firm in the heart. Mama pray when the sun go down, light one candle, oh make a sound. You them search for something real, more than words them need to feel. If we share the little we have, even sorrow find a path. Unity, no empty phrase, is the fire that forever blaze. No fence can stop the river flow, no lie can hide the truth we know. From the dust back to the sky, love remain when fear pass by. Hold the faith, walk slow and sure, roots so deep them will endure. Roots hold firm, no matter the storm, bend but never break or warm. Side by side